Har du startet din?
Jeg har lige startet nu.
Okay, der var klap. Take one.
Fourteen-year-old girl chased by inner demons. 14-year-old girl, you would think you knew her. 14-year-old girl was a child that ended way too soon. She used to dream of the sun, the stars, and the moon. 14-year-old girl running from her demons. 14-year-old girl scared that they might see her. 14-year-old girl stronger than 100 men. She has had enough, never wants to see him again. She is running for her life, searching for a place to hide. A 14-year-old girl carried a heavy secret. She's wondering again, can't they really see it? 14-year-old girl, don't you see she's dying to tell? Wanna die, wanna cry,